Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and opening your eyes. You sit up in bed, but suddenly, the room begins spinning violently around you. The walls seem to move. The floor feels unstable. You reach for a table to steady yourself, but your body refuses to cooperate. Standing becomes almost impossible. Walking feels like trying to cross a ship during a storm. Now imagine living like that every day. For millions of people around the world, this is reality. And the cause often comes from a tiny structure hidden deep inside the ear. A structure smaller than a grape. A structure so sophisticated that even the most advanced robots on Earth struggle to match its capabilities. Most people think their ears are only for hearing sounds. But deep inside your ears lies one of the greatest engineering marvels in the human body. A biological navigation system. A motion detector. A balance controller. A gyroscope. A stabilizer. And a life-saving orientation system all rolled into one. It works every second of every day. While you walk, while you run, while you drive, while you climb stairs, even while you're sleeping. Yet most people never realize it exists. Today we're taking an extraordinary journey into the hidden world of the vestibular system, the miraculous mechanism that keeps your entire body balanced. What you're about to discover may completely change the way you think about your own body. Let's start with something simple. Stand up. Now remain perfectly still. Seems easy, right? Actually, it's one of the most complicated things your body does. The human body is constantly fighting gravity. Gravity is always trying to pull you down. Yet somehow, your body continuously makes thousands of tiny adjustments every second to keep you upright. Scientists have discovered that even when you think you're standing perfectly still, your body is actually swaying slightly. Tiny muscles throughout your body are constantly adjusting. Your brain is continuously making calculations. Your nervous system is processing enormous amounts of information, all to prevent you from falling. If any part of this system fails, balance can quickly disappear. This raises an important question. How does your brain know whether you're moving, standing still, leaning forward, or falling? The answer lies hidden deep within the inner ear. Without this system, even simple activities would become extremely difficult. Walking across a room would feel like walking on a tightrope. Running would be dangerous. Driving would become nearly impossible. Even turning your head could leave you disoriented. The ability to balance is one of the greatest miracles of human biology. And it all begins in a place few people ever think about. Deep within the skull sits a remarkable structure called the vestibular system. Scientists often describe it as a labyrinth. And for good reason. Its intricate design resembles a tiny maze hidden within the bone. This system contains several important components. The most famous are the semicircular canals. There are 3 of them, each positioned at a different angle. One detects movement up and down. Another detects side-to-side movement. The third detects rotational movement. Together, they monitor motion in 3-dimensional space. Imagine having 3 tiny motion sensors positioned at perfect angles. That's essentially what exists inside your head right now. The canals contain a special fluid. Whenever your head moves, the fluid moves too. This movement bends microscopic sensory cells. These cells instantly send messages to the brain. What's astonishing is how quickly this occurs. Signals travel in milliseconds. Before you're consciously aware you've moved, your brain already knows. This allows the body to react almost instantly. The precision is extraordinary. Some scientists compare it to advanced aerospace technology. Yet your body developed it naturally. Every movement you make is tracked with incredible accuracy. The vestibular system knows when you're tilting, turning, jumping, rolling, spinning, or falling. It constantly updates your brain about your position in space. Without it, your world would become chaos. One of the most fascinating parts of the vestibular system is the fluid inside the semicircular canals. At first glance, fluid might seem like a strange way to detect motion, but it's actually brilliant. When your head moves, the fluid lags behind slightly because of inertia. This tiny delay creates information. The sensory cells detect the movement of the fluid. The brain then calculates the direction and speed of your movement. Think of a cup of water in a moving car. When the car accelerates, the water shifts. When the car stops, the water continues moving briefly. A similar process happens inside your ears, except the system is far more precise. The movement of the fluid can be incredibly small, yet your brain interprets it with remarkable accuracy. This fluid helps determine whether you're moving forward, backward, left, right, up, down, or spinning. It provides a continuous stream of information, 24 hours a day, every moment of your life. Even while sleeping, your balance system never truly rests. Inside the vestibular system are tiny sensory structures called hair cells. These aren't hairs like the ones on your head. They're microscopic sensors, yet they are among the most important cells in your body. Each hair cell acts like a detector. When fluid moves, these hairs bend. The bending creates electrical signals. Those signals travel directly to the brain. This process happens continuously, thousands of times every day. Without these tiny cells, balance would be impossible. Unfortunately, unlike many other cells in the body, damaged hair cells often cannot regenerate effectively. This is why certain balance disorders can become serious. These tiny sensors are incredibly delicate, yet they perform their job with extraordinary reliability. For decades, without stopping, without breaks, without maintenance. Their performance is one of the greatest examples of biological engineering ever discovered. Have you ever wondered why your vision remains stable while you're walking? Every step causes your head to bounce slightly, yet the world doesn't appear blurry. This is thanks to a remarkable partnership between your eyes and your inner ear. The vestibulo-ocular reflex, one of the fastest reflexes in the human body. When your head moves in one direction, your eyes automatically move in the opposite direction. This keeps your vision stable. You don't consciously control it. It happens automatically. Try holding your thumb in front of your face. Now move your head side to side while focusing on your thumb. Notice how clearly you can still see it. Your vestibular system is making that possible. Without this reflex, every movement would blur your vision. Reading would become difficult. Walking would be disorienting. Driving would be dangerous. This remarkable partnership allows humans to navigate the world smoothly. Most people never notice it, yet it works constantly. Every waking moment, everyone has experienced dizziness after spinning. Children often spin for fun. Athletes experience it during sports. Dancers train to overcome it. But why does it happen? The answer lies within the vestibular system. When you spin, the fluid inside the canals begins moving. As spinning continues, the fluid eventually catches up. When you suddenly stop, the fluid keeps moving. Your sensory cells continue sending signals that suggest you're still rotating. Meanwhile, your eyes tell your brain you've stopped. The conflicting information creates dizziness. The brain receives mixed messages until the fluid settles. This simple phenomenon reveals how sensitive the vestibular system truly is. Even tiny fluid movements can dramatically affect perception. It's a powerful reminder of how dependent we are on our balance system. Imagine feeling as though the room is spinning for hours, or days, or even months. For people with vestibular disorders, this can be reality. Conditions such as vertigo can cause overwhelming sensations of movement, even when standing perfectly still. Some individuals experience nausea. Others struggle to walk. Many find everyday activities challenging. Researchers continue studying these disorders. The more they learn, the more impressive the vestibular system becomes. Its complexity is astonishing. Its precision is extraordinary. Its importance cannot be overstated. When it functions properly, we rarely notice it. When it fails, we quickly realize how much we depend on it. Scientists around the world continue investigating the mysteries of balance. Researchers are developing advanced treatments, new therapies, innovative technologies. Some scientists are even creating artificial vestibular implants, devices designed to restore balance signals. These breakthroughs may transform millions of lives. The future of vestibular science is incredibly exciting. Each new discovery reveals more about the remarkable system hidden inside our ears. And each discovery deepens our appreciation for the human body. Right now, as you're watching this video, your vestibular system is working. It knows where your head is. It knows how your body is moving. It helps stabilize your vision. It coordinates your muscles. It protects you from falling. And it does all of this without asking for attention, without making noise, without demanding recognition. Hidden deep inside your ears is one of the most sophisticated systems ever discovered. A biological masterpiece, a navigation system, a stabilizer, a guardian of balance, a miracle of human anatomy. The next time you stand, walk, run, dance, or simply turn your head, Take a moment to appreciate the incredible organ making it all possible. Because every step you take is supported by a hidden wonder that works tirelessly every second of your life. If you enjoyed this fascinating journey into the human body, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And tell us in the comments, what part of the human body amazes you the most and why? Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.